Umalma ang depensa sa impeachment trial ni Vice President Sara Duterte sa ilang mga ginawa ng prosekusyon. Kabilang dito ang komento ni Private Prosecutor Lorna Capunan ng pagpigil sa pagpalo at pag-lecture sa mas nakababatang abogado ng depensa. Tinawag ding bad taste ang pag-post sa social media ng isa pang private prosecutor na ayon sa depensa ay tungkol sa sinabi ng isa nilang kasamahan. Nakatutok si Sandra Aguinaldo.
Dahil maituturing na opposing forces ang prosecution at defense sa impeachment trial ni Vice President Sara Duterte, man-to-man guarding ang ginagawa nila kapag nagtatanong sa testigo ang kabila. Pero kanina tila mas mainit ang tagpo. Ang pinanggalingan ng komentong ito ni Counsel for the Prosecution Attorney Lorna Capunan sa gitna ng pagtatanong sa testigo ni Defense Counsel Attorney Christine Ferrer.
Not all questions can be answered by yes
I am
or
on
no.
cross, Your Honor, please.
Counsels.
Never mind if you're on cross. There are limits to cross-examination.
Counsels.
Misleading questions are not allowed
They
on
are
cross.
allowed.
Counsels,
I don't think I need to lecture
please,
you that.
counsels, let's not allow the generational or seeming generational divide increase the tension in the courtroom. Let's keep it a notch lower.
Your Honor, please, I am preventing myself from giving her a spanking, Your Honor.
You are all members of the bar, and
Yes,
you're
Your
all
Honor.
counsels
I submit,
for the parties.
I submit.
And we will be treating and looking at each one equally.
Binanggit ni Presiding Officer Cheese Escudero ang generational divide o malaking agwat ng edad ni Capunan at Ferrer. Pero ang komento ni Capunan na pinigilan niya ang sarili sa pagpalo sa nakababatang si Ferrer, inalmahan ng defense lawyer.
I would like to ask this court to not allow side comments like I was about to spank her, yung mga, I was about to lecture her, kasi yung mga ganun ho, Your Honor. Wala ho yung lugar dito sa courtroom because we are all lawyers here, we are all professionals. Igalang naman ho natin yung kapwa natin na lawyer. Kung halimbawa, at kagaya nito, mas matanda ho sa akin si Attorney Capunan, maybe she has more years of experience. She has 48 years, I have 15. We should learn to respect each other and refrain from making side comments, Your Honor. And that was captured by the media po.
Attorney Capunan withdrew that statement earlier, if I remember correctly.
Yes, Your Honor. And in fact, I hope it was also part of the records that I promised to behave.
May isa pang inireklamo ang depensa. Ang social media post na ito ni Private Prosecutor Amando Ligutan habang nagaganap ang pagdinig. Sabi niya, hindi allowed ang misleading questions sa cross-examination. Walang pinatungkulan pero sa tingin ng depensa ay patungkol ito sa naunang sinabi ni Attorney Ferrer.
This was posted at 11:29 a.m. by one of the private prosecutors, Attorney Amando Virgil Ligutan. I find it troubling that a private prosecutor would do this in the middle of a courtroom hearing.
Nilinaw ni Attorney Sison ang tinutukoy ng kasamahang si Attorney Ferrer na pinahihintulutan ay ang leading questions, hindi ang misleading questions.
Attorney Ferrer was only saying that leading questions are allowed on cross-examination. I really just find it in bad taste to do this at this time. And I think it is inappropriate to do that to a fellow member of the bar because even as we sit on the opposing side of this hall, we remain to be both members of the bar, and as officers of the court, we owe each other respect, politeness, or even kindness.
Naroon si Attorney Ligutan pero sa susunod na hearing na lang daw siya pasasagutin. Nagpaliwanag naman si Ligutan sa media.
With all the respect po, kung babasahin doon, I am asking you, did I mention a name? Did I mention what case? Zero. Nothing. Nada.
Sa dulo, nagbabala si Presiding Officer Cheese Escudero sa magkabilang panig na huwag magsalita tungkol sa merits ng kaso. Napapansin daw niya kasi ang mga ibinibigay na pahayag na tila lumalabag na sa sub judice rule.
One side has been crossing the line many times, and In fact, the presiding officer is already in the process of drafting a ruling and a warning and an order pertaining to this. Because clearly, I can even name all of you who have been commenting on social media in violation of Rule 18 of the impeachment rules.
Sandra Aguinaldo, Nakatutok, 24 Oras.